Ultrasonography machines include probes, consoles or instrument controls, and monitors. Some portable devices work on apps in handheld devices. This video shows how to use probes to obtain images. If the indicator is placed correctly, the patient's right side appears on the right side of the screen. In this case, the right ventricular outflow is directed toward the side of the screen to your right. If the probe is turned 180 degrees from transverse, right and left are switched. With longitudinal probe orientation and correct indicator placement, the convention is to have the cephalad side at the left of the screen. Apply gel in large amounts to ensure an adequate film as you move the probe. Rest your fingers on the probe and move it like a pen. Try to avoid bone and gas, which are hyperechoic and can hide structures of interest. Gas can sometimes be pushed away. Optimize the imaging path to the target by using an acoustic window, generally through hypoechoic structures such as the liver when imaging the heart. Begin by scanning large areas, sometimes called survey views, and then focus in to smaller areas of interest. Slide the probe side to side or up and down, moving the probe footprint. With the footprint steady, you can tilt the probe, also called fanning or sweeping, to aim to a side and give a more three-dimensional view. Rock the probe cephalad or caudad, or compress the probe, pushing downward. You can also rotate the probe, which changes between longitudinal and transverse axes while keeping the target in the frame. The patient may need to assist, for example by changing position or inhaling deeply. For the best view of an organ, image both dimensions and tilt the probe to focus on each end.